This is how we are going to explain articles, the a, an, and the, and how to use them. First, we get the a. So where do you put the a? It is used before a singular noun that starts with a consonant sound. Like, for instance, I have a dog. Any dog, not a specific one. Then we get the an. Now, this one is used before a singular noun that starts with a vowel sound. For example, I saw an elephant. Any elephant, not just a specific one. So you're not talking about a specific thing. And the last one of the articles is the. So the is used to refer to a specific noun, something both the speaker and the listener know. For example, I saw the dog in the park. So it's a particular dog that everybody knows, or you both know. But you must remember, a is any single thing before consonant sounds. An is any single thing before vowels. And the is a specific thing that you're referring to, a known thing. Articles are simple, but they make sentences clear. But now there is another rule. So if the word sounds like a vowel because we listen to the sound, not the written words, then it also starts with an an. For example, the word hour, as in time hour, it sounds like hour when it's spoken, like us, our something. So this gets an also, because when it's spoken, you can hear that it sounds like a O instead of an H, which is a consonant. So understanding how to use these articles will enhance your written style as well as your communication skills.